you wanna be your own bank, here are 6 steps na makakatulong sa'yo. Una, magbukas ka ng Index Universal Life Insurance Policy with an agent who knows what they're doing. Pangalawa, alamin mo kung paano mong popondohan yung policy na to. Max fund, front load, monthly. The faster you max fund the policy, the better. Pangatlo, mag-allow ka ng time for your money to compound and grow. Pang-apat, pag oras na para bumili ng sasakyan, ng bahay, ng income-producing asset, take out the tax-free loan against the IUL nang hindi tinitigil yung compounding interest. Pang-lima, pay yourself back. Meron kang option para alamin kung gaano kabilis o gaano kabagal mong gustong bayaran yung sarili mo, or don't pay back the loan at all and it will be subtracted from your death benefit. At pang-anim, keep the policy as long as you live, kasi pag namatay ka, yung remaining money from the death benefit will go to your family tax-free. Don't forget to put it in a trust.